In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase video brightness in CapCut PC. If you've got a video clip that looks too dark or a little underexposed, don't worry. CapCut PC gives you a couple of very simple ways to fix the lighting and make your footage look clearer and more polished. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the two easiest methods so you can brighten either a single clip or your entire project, depending on what you need. Let's start with the first method, which is best when you only want to brighten one individual clip. Go down to your timeline and click on the darker video clip to select it. Once it's selected, move over to the top right Properties panel. From there, click on Adjustment and then go into Basic. This is where you'll find the main lighting controls for that selected clip. Now look for the brightness slider. Drag it gently to the right to increase the overall lighting in your shot. As you move it, keep an eye on the preview window so you can see the change in real time. This is the quickest way to lift a dark clip, but it's usually best to make small adjustments instead of pushing it too far all at once. To keep the image looking natural, scroll down to the Shadows control and raise that a bit as well. Increasing shadows helps bring out detail in the darker parts of the frame without making the brightest areas look overexposed. That's especially helpful if your subject is visible but hidden in dim lighting. If your footage still needs a little extra help, you can also increase highlights or exposure slightly. Highlights can help recover some crispness in brighter parts of the image, while exposure gives the whole clip a stronger overall lift. The key here is to make subtle changes so the video stays balanced and doesn't start to look washed out. Now let's look at the second method, which is perfect if you want to brighten your entire video project at once. Instead of adjusting clips one by one, go to the top left menu bar and click Adjustment, then choose Custom Adjustment. After that, drag the adjustment clip onto track 2 above your timeline. This places the effect over all the clips beneath it. With that adjustment layer selected, head to the top right panel and turn up the brightness setting. As soon as you do, every video clip underneath that layer will be brightened instantly. This is a huge time saver when multiple clips in your project need the same lighting fix. And that's it. You now know the two easiest ways to increase video brightness in CapCut PC.